Hey everybody, it's Sam here. I just wanted to talk for a minute about something very special that's happening on Craft Stash. Now, I have been talking about this a lot on my Facebook page, and I did share just a small video. It was more of an advert about what's coming very soon. But I thought I would do a video just going into a little bit more detail without giving too much away of what's going to be happening very soon. Those of you that have already joined the waiting list, the wait is almost over, because I know some of you joined it very early and you're getting impatient now. It's like, what is going to happen? So very soon, Craft Stash will be launching their VIP membership, and there are so many benefits to joining. All you have to do right now, if you're interested, is join the wait list. It's free to do, and the links are in the description box below. So if you haven't done so, there's already thousands of people on this wait list. But if you want access to maybe a secret sale, lots of you had a little taster of that only about a week ago. Secret sales, sneak peeks, early bird discounts, and lots of other really good things are planned. And I can't wait until I can just say exactly what's happening. But I just wanted to come on here because lots of people have been joining through my links that I've been sharing on Facebook, and then I thought I haven't really done too much for you guys here on YouTube. So if you are already fans of Craft Stash and you want to know more about what's coming, then do click on those links, join the wait list, and then you will find out more. There's already a lot of chat going around about this, and I just can't wait until it's all out there and you can, see what we've got to offer. So like I said, just check the links in the description box below. They will take you to the wait list, and then very soon, and I promise very, very soon, it will all be announced. See you all again soon. Bye.